Standard 8th, General Science, topic number 2nd, Health and Diseases. Dear friends, in previous video, we learned about some infectious diseases, and these are tuberculosis and hepatitis. And in this video, we are going to learn about some other infectious diseases. And the first infectious disease is dysentery. हमें पता है कि डिसीज के लिए पैथोजेंस रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं। जो पैथोजेंस रिस्पॉन्सिबल है डिसेंट्री के लिए वो है बैक्टीरिया, वायरसेस, शिगेला, एंटामीबा, हिस्टोलिटिका। एक्चुअली शिगेला it is a group of bacteria, or we can say family of bacteria. Mostly for infected with Shigella develops diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps. After pathogens, we are going to know about its mode of infection. And the mode of infection of a dysentery is contaminated water and as well as contaminated food. जो दूषित अन्न है और दूषित पानी है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है डिसेंट्री के लिए. And about symptoms we can tell, the first symptom of dysentery is watery stool and pain in abdomen. Getting all of you? About its prevention and treatment, we can tell, just we have to take boiled water, just we have to eat covered foodstuffs, or we have to take in consideration proper storage of food and just ORS consumption. नेक्स्ट जो इन्फिशियस डिसीज है वो है कॉलेरा, एंड द रिस्पॉन्सिबल पैथोजन इज वाइब्रियो कॉलरी. About its mode of infection, we can tell contaminated food and contaminated water. These are responsible for its mode of infection. And when a person suffering from cholera, we found some symptoms in him. The first symptom is vomiting. Second symptom is severe diarrhea. And third symptom is cramps in legs. For its prevention or its treatment, we can tell, just we have to adopt, just we have to follow hygienic practices, just we have to avoid open place food. And the next infectious disease is typhoid, and the pathogen responsible for typhoid is Salmonella typhi. About its mode of infection, we can tell contaminated food and contaminated water. मित्रांनो, टायफॉइड जो आहे तो दूषित अन्न आणि दूषित पाणी यांच्यामुळं होतो. Contaminated water and contaminated food is also responsible for typhoid. And its symptoms are anorexia, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, and fever is up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. To prevent that, just what we have to do, just we have to take clean drinking water. Second, we can tell vaccination. Third, that is a proper disposal of sewage. Dear friends, again I am going to tell you symptoms of typhoid. The first symptom is anorexia. एनोरेक्सिया का मतलब ये होता है हमें भूख नहीं लगती. एनोरेक्सिया मीन्स लैक ऑफ एपेटाइट फॉर फूड. वन मोर सिम्टम इज फीवर अप टू 104 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. मीन्स 104 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट जो है इट इज इक्वालेंट टू 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एक्चुअली द नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी इज equal to 37 degree Fahrenheit. Dear friends, the pictures which you see, you have to collect the information about the diseases which are we observe in present days.